The Spigen Tough Armor case for the Google Pixel 4a here on the right, and of course the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra here on the left. Let's dive right in. We'll have a look at the 4a case first. So you can see Spigen Tough Armor on the bottom. There's that part number there. Made in South Korea. That's very nice. Spigen branding here on the sides of the case. This side is blank though. We'll flip it over in the back, pause the video or screenshot it if you want to read all of that. And on top, we do have a tab here. We'll have a look at the case. This is one of my favorite cases. I've had this case for my previous phones, Note 10, S20, S10, etc. Now on the newer versions of this case, they added this yellow padding here on the inside of the case to help with shock absorption. And have a look. Take a look at that right there. Nice. We'll go ahead and install the 4a and we'll have a look. Nice and easy. The phone snaps on. All right, clean it up a little bit. Good. Blends in perfectly with the black front of the 4a. Very nice. You flip it over in the back and it's gonna look like this. And I'd have to say, the case being in matte black, the phone itself in matte black, the fingerprint scanner is in matte black, everything just blends in, matte black everything. Depending on the light, you may or may not see fingerprints, but regardless, I think this looks badass, especially with a black kickstand. That just looks very sleek to me. I love the way this looks. We'll take a look at the camera cutout. Your camera is nice and protected, and then the fingerprint cutout right there, beveled in. Which, let's test it right now since we're talking about it. Works 100%. And this power button is nice and clicky too. Love that. And then we'll go ahead, check out the Spigen branding on the kickstand. We'll test this out. Go like that. And then the one thing I do love about this case is that if you're out and about and you want to watch some media, you can put it on the desk and watch your media. Very nice. Love that added functionality. Now this is a two-part case. This is TPU right here with a hard shell back and the sides are also hard shell. And then let's see, Tough Armor branding there. The buttons here are flat with the case, but you have your plus and minus indicator. You have a ridge power button. And on each corner of the device or of the case, you have this little bit of a design, which is pretty cool. Cutouts, have a look. Cutouts on top. Cut out for the headphone jack. Nice to see in 2020. Feels really good. I don't know what coating Spigen uses here, but adds a good amount of grip. I love it. This is a good case. One of my go-tos for sure. All right, let's go ahead and test out the Note 20 Ultra version. Now here it is for the Note 20 Ultra. You have the same yellow extra padding on the inside, and have a look at that. We'll take the Note, we'll install it, and we'll have a look. Nice and easy. All right, now from the front, everything blends in, as you can see. Love that. And you flip it over in the back, and it's gonna look like this. And I have to say, this also, along with the 4a, looks very nice. Nice and matte black finish there. Spigen on the kickstand, which we'll test right now. So again, especially on a Note, if you're out and about, you want to watch media, you want to enjoy your 6.9-inch 120 Hz display, you put it on a table like that, go ahead and binge watch whatever. And then when you're done, snap it back in. Love that added functionality. We'll go ahead and look at the camera cutout. Nice and protected. We'll have a look on this side, nice and clean. On this side, you do have Tough Armor branding here. As you can see, now the power button and the volume are flat, plus and minus indicators, power button's ridged. On top, cutout for your mic. And of course on the bottom here, your cutouts, and then the S Pen. No issues with the S Pen. And then let's go ahead and test out the buttons. Nice and clicky. Love it. And then let's go ahead and do the volume. As you can see, nice and clicky. Now it is flat with the case, so you may have to find it, but not a big deal. Works as it should. And then the Note 20 Ultra does have wireless charging, so we'll test that real quick. And works as it should. I love this case in the black because you get the black kickstand. I just think that looks really nice, really sleek, especially if you can keep it clean, matte black everything, can't go wrong. And on the Note 20 Ultra, if you have the black Note, this area will also be black, so it'll blend in. I think it'll look best on that color actually, but it doesn't look bad on the Mystic Bronze. This looks good as well. So this is the Spigen Tough Armor for the Pixel 4a and the Note 20 Ultra. If you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and put links in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.